A guide you to fix YouTube sound not working on Android. So let's say if you are on your YouTube and you're not hearing any of the sound while playing shorts or while playing any of your videos, for that you need to come out of your YouTube and there you need to tap on your settings. From there, you need to scroll down to find sound and vibration. Here, you need to make sure that media is not turned off. Let's say you need to scroll this like this, and let's say if it is muted or if it is in the white line, that means that is in the low media quality, so you need to turn on like this. Here you could find that media and you can adjust that anywhere you want, and this is one setting. Is the second, you can need to scroll down for apps, scroll all the way to find YouTube, and here it is. In the YouTube, you need to scroll down to find clear data. In that, you need to clear the cache and you need to clear all the data. After that, that will fix YouTube sound not working on Android. Thank you.